Welcome back to another video. So basically what we're doing today, we're gonna do a productive day in my life, and it's gonna be like really fun. But anyway, besides the point, please subscribe if you're new and turn on the notification bell because sometimes it won't notify you when I post my videos. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so let me wash my hands again. So basically what we're doing today, I'm going to wash my hands right now because I'm going to let me wash my hands first. I haven't eaten yet in like a while. Like I just ate breakfast. I didn't just eat breakfast. What I'm trying to say is I ate breakfast and that was a salad. Now I'm going to fix another salad because I like eating healthy. Makes me feel healthy, and I just exercised, did some sit-ups, getting fit, did some squats, you know, and that I just started doing that, like that's not something I do every day. And I'll show you what I am making that with in a minute. So basically I'm fixing something like really simple. I'm just gonna do like one of these patties, or probably two. It's a veggie. It's one of these veggie burger things. Got my butter lettuce. That's enough. So yeah, I got two of those. It's really simple, and some croutons. I don't feel like being extra right now, so I'm gonna do two patties. We're gonna go from there, and then I'm just gonna eat, and then I'm gonna take a shower, put on this face mask thing, and clean up around my room, make it look a little neater, and just clear some stuff out. And yeah, that's what we're doing today, class. I wear really cute outfits like to school, but at home I just don't feel like, because I'm at home, so. Okay, I decided I'm gonna get some tea and just make it with that. I'm not gonna have it like hot or anything. I'm just gonna make it and have it iced. So my patties are done. I decided to go with the burdock root tea. Okay, so I got my honey. I'm about to put it in my cup. Oh, that was really hard to open. A glass bowl. We have a lot of bowls. We have a wooden bowl, and we have these Portuguese bowls. They're like big black bowls. We have two of them. We have a lot of wooden bowls, and then we have two glass bowls. And I just went with this one. So yeah. Hey guys, so we are back and the bowl looks like really good. Like it looks really good. I'm gonna put some seasoning on it just because I like doing that. I'm gonna put a little bit of Himalayan salt, pink salt, very good for you and good. And paprika, some pepper, and yeah, that's basically it. See that? Paprika, like that's like mainly for like cooking foods, so I don't put too much of that, but it adds like this really good flavor. I don't know. I like weird combinations, but to be honest, that's like really good. Really good looking. Okay. I think I would be a really good chef, but not one of my dream jobs too. But yeah, the paprika adds like this really good smoky flavor, so that's why I add it. This tea right there, and then this is the salad. I know it looks really good, like, I know it may look like I did a lot, but I didn't. I just added the meat patties, It's not even meat, it's like veggie. It's like a bean patty, basically. And I added that brown lettuce, most of it, and then I just added croutons and just added the toppings and stuff. And the ranch that I used was Caesar, creamy Caesar. Hey guys, we're back, and I just finished eating, so now I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna start getting my room together and kind of cleaning it and seeing if I have some trash bags so that I can finally get the stuff under my desk out of the room. So no trash bags, yay me. Change of plans. Now I think I'm just gonna take a shower, put on my face mask, and kind of like clean my bathroom up a little bit. And then when I'm done with that, wash my thing off. Another change of plans. I'm just gonna clean my bathroom a little bit, and then I'm gonna work on this poster that I still have to finish. Forgot about this poster. So I need to finish it, and I'm gonna finish it today, because all I have to do is color in this dog, and I'll be done. Hey guys, I'm just a little bit on lighting right now. Looks good. Okay, so here's the tea. I said I was gonna get a face mask and stuff like that, so I'm gonna clean my bathroom to make it look a little less crowded in there. I just want to let you know that the lighting's not gonna be the best in here, so just don't mind that. You know why I have mascara? I don't even wear makeup, period. Hey guys, I just finished cleaning. Everything's clean, my bathroom, and I even cleaned my desk a little, so it's like really looking nice, and I'm really happy about that. So yeah, my desk is really nice. It looks way less cluttered in here, so I'm just really happy about that, and I'm gonna start my drawing in a minute. I just want to relax right now. Hey guys, let me just explain for a little bit. I went on my phone and edited for a little bit, and now I'm going to finish off my drawing, and yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I just finished my drawing. Looks really nice, and yeah, I'm just really happy about it. Yeah, today's been really productive, and I'm really happy that I cleaned my room out. Good night, love you guys. Be sure to subscribe, please subscribe, because we have 90 subscribers, and I'm almost to 100, so I'm just really excited about that, and my goal is to get to 1,000 by the end of next year, and possibly 1 million before I graduate, like school in general. But yeah guys, so love you.